Hello, and welcome back to ClearTask. Today I am going to show you a simple and direct method to scan QR codes right inside BlueStacks. Whether you need to log into a game, redeem a promo code, or access a link, this process takes just a few seconds. Let's get right into it. First, launch the BlueStacks emulator on your PC. Once you are on the main home screen, click on the Google Play Store icon. Make sure you are signed into your Google account so you can download apps. Go to the search bar at the top and type in QR code scanner. You will see several results. Choose a highly rated free app like QR and barcode scanner and click install. Wait a few moments for the download and installation to complete. Once installed, open the app directly from the Play Store or from your BlueStacks home screen. When you open it for the first time, the app will ask for permission to access your camera and media files. Make sure to click allow. This step is necessary for the scanner to function. Now you have two simple ways to scan your code. If your PC has a webcam, the app will activate it. Just hold your QR code up to the camera and it will scan automatically. If you do not have a webcam, don't worry. Most scanner apps have a scan from image or gallery icon on the screen. Simply save a screenshot of your QR code, import it into BlueStacks using the Media Manager, and load the image into the app. And that is it. The app will immediately decode the link or text for you. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward professional tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.